Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Got an amazing fragrance for you today. Andy from the Wet Shaving Store reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to review St. Nick's Private Lounge. And this one is crazy good, y'all. I just opened it a few moments ago. This is Thursday, December 10th. Video will be dropping Friday the 11th. And I tell you what, I just opened the box, smelled this, and then I ran in here to do this video. And thank you, Andy, for sending this to me for the purposes of this review. But thank you, because it is incredible. Oh man, the fragrance notes are black pepper, nutmeg, cinnamon, frankincense, dark leather, and tobacco. And I'm telling you what, this fragrance is every bit that photo. Honestly, it is incredible. Oh, that is so good. So good. All right, for the hardware, I'm using the Blackland Blackbird Titanium with the light plate. Beautiful, one of my favorite razors. And I've got a brush. I finally set a knot in it. I was waiting. I ran out of silicone. It took me forever to get off my butt and go buy some. I've had this brush handle for a while and just set a new knot. This is one that was gifted to me from Dr. Chris Beaudrab of CB Brushworks. And it is a beautiful one of his Fordite brushes. I have kind of been wanting one of these for a while, and thank you so much, Chris, for sending this. Beautiful, beautiful brush. I have it set with a 26 or 28 millimeter. I can't remember. This is a Magridge G5 synthetic. Wonderful knot. I really love this synthetic knot. And of course, I absolutely do have the matching splash. Now, this is a collaboration with Master Soap Creations and the Wet Shaving Store. And man, I was kind of sleeping on this. And then Andy reached out and asked me if I would like to review it. And I wish I wouldn't have slept on it, because if I'd have known how good this smelled, I had just kind of spent my budget on Black Friday already. So I really wasn't picking up anymore, even though I'm trying to collect more Christmas fragrances. Man, this is good. All right, let's get things going. Let's get the brush wet. And we're going to start loading it up right off the tub. I'm looking forward to finally using this brush handle. All right. I do love a Master Soap Creations soap. Always so good. I'm going to load this brush up nice and good. Man, all these new Christmas fragrances have been incredible. All right, that's good. Let's get this rinsed out. So, let me know down below your favorite Christmas soap fragrance. What company, what fragrance, what makes it your favorite? Man, mine changes every year because there's always a new one that comes out that's just incredible. I also received another one today, but that will be for another video. All right, let me set that aside. Let's get the glasses off and the face wet, and we're going to start lathering this up. I have about 24 hours growth. And yep, I totally caked up my brush here with way too much soap. But that's okay, we'll power through it. You can see all the bits of soap on my face. Yeah, it is way too much. Let's get some of this out of the brush. There we go. That ought to be better. A little too much water in the brush. Now we got it coming together. Stop eating it. I think that soap was a little softer than I thought. See, that's what happens when you don't play around with your soap and test it first before you go make a video. If I'd felt out the soap a little bit before I came in here, I would have known. Boy, I'm getting this everywhere now. But that's my usual MO, right? if you'd see, funny thing, some days I'll just come in here and just randomly see dried up lather spots in all the nooks and crannies of this bathroom. Man, this smells so good. Like, I am going crazy on this one. I am wearing this fragrance tomorrow for sure. This is an excellent, excellent lather. Good Lord, it's everywhere. So, let me know down below who you think the messiest latherer is, and why is it me? We all know it's me. But I don't have a problem with that. I enjoy having fun with my lather. All right, we're going to warm this razor up, get it wet, and let's get this shave going. Seriously, as soon as I smelled this, I hopped up out of my chair. I said, I got to go shave with this. It is that good. Now, just so you know, this is already out. I believe it released on December 7th. So it is available now at the Wet Shaving Store. And don't think this is completely Christmas. It's not. This is a fragrance. And I would wear this one all year round. It is a little bit on the darker side, so it's probably considered more of a fall, winter type thing. But this is one that I could see definitely wearing year round at the office for sure. It is that good. I think we got my Christmas party coming up. I'm thinking this is what I want to wear for the Christmas party, honestly. Already feeling that from it. Oh, it's so good. Speaking of Christmas, you got your shopping done yet? I haven't. I've got a little bit, very, very little, like 2. And I'm going to be last minuting this one, unfortunately, because of the way my paydays are falling this month. So I'm going to be going nuts the weekend before Christmas. Why does this smell so good? I'm glad it does. Like my whole bathroom. I don't think there's another Master Soap Creation soap that I've had that is this strong a fragrance either. This one is fantastic, right where I like it. Alrighty. I gotta toughen up those areas. Get used to shaving, right? So I will be growing the facial hair back at the first of the year. I'm taking some time off from work between Christmas and New Year's. Now I'm going to let about 4 or 5 days growth go. So no shaving during that week. Complete vacation. And why am I lathering with an open mouth? And then I'm going to be able, that way I'm going to be able to cut in my beard and mustache easier and then shave closer to the end of that vacation. So it's my plan. So yeah, the growth will be coming back. And I'm actually kind of looking forward to getting that going again. This time with the intention of that mustache, because before it's just something I did after I'd already had a beard going. So because yes, I do miss the stash. But it's been fun having the clean shaven look for a while. In fact, I had some customers come and work today that hadn't seen me in a while. When they didn't know who I was at first, it was funny. Man, the tobacco in this one is the star. If you like a tobacco scented fragrance, this one is outstanding. One of the best, actually, I've smelled in a while. It is really beautifully done. Frankincense, I think, is part that's supporting that. It's just got this beautiful, sweet note to it, and I'm not quite getting the cinnamon just yet. I'm assuming I'm going to get that in the splash. But it is beautifully done. Such a well-blended tobacco fragrance, honestly. Oh, sorry, I'm snorting lather. Super slick. Oh yeah, beautiful. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for my favorite part, the splash, my final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Whew. Oh, man, why does this smell so incredible? Jeez. Andy, you and Master Soap Creations did an amazing job on this. Jeez, it has to be my favorite one from them. Oh, even off the tub, it's incredible. All right, let's go for the splash. St. Nick's Private Lounge. Love that label. First time cracking this open. I'll get a generous amount because I am all about that life. Like I need a St. Nick's Private Lounge. Oh, jeez, that's so good. Going all over. Everywhere. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Definitely getting more of the spices now, that black pepper and nutmeg. Just wafting on the top there. A little bit of that leather. I'm sure that leather is going to come in more in the dry down, but man, this is so well done. Oh, geez, that is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. St. Nick's Private Lounge, guys. Go get it while it's still available. It's a limited edition release at the Wet Shaving Store for Christmas. Don't sleep on it like I was going to. And I didn't do it on purpose. I wanted to grab it, but I got lucky, I guess. And thank you again, Andy, for sending this to me for a review. Fantastic stuff. Go to the Wet Shaving Store, pick it up. I'll have the link down below. Find your piece in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on A Texan Shaves. Merry Christmas.